So in this video, I'm going to show you how to hook up your WooCommerce store to Printful, which is the print-on-demand provider that I like the best. Now the first thing that you want to do is you want to click on the Printful link right below this video, and that will take you over to the Printful website. And what you want to do is you want to just sign up. Signing up for an account is 100% free. Just sign up and make sure you have it before we go to the next step. Now since I already have an account, I'm just going to go ahead and sign in right now. The next step is to go onto your WordPress dashboard. All right, and what I want you to do is I want you to go under plugins, and then I want you to click on add new, do a search for Printful, and then click on install now, and then activate. Next thing I want you to do is click on Printful here, and it will ask you to connect your website to Printful at this point. Now there's a couple things that you need to do just to make sure everything's set up correctly, so let's just go through those right now. First thing you need to do is you need to go under settings and permalinks. And then just make sure that you have post name selected. This is important, otherwise it's not going to work correctly. After you do that, click Save Changes, go back to Printful here, and then finally you can click on the Connect button. And then you want to say Approve, and then select Continue with your account. And again, if you did these steps in the order that I prescribed, you should already be logged into your Printful account, so you can just click on the Continue button. Then you want to click on Yes, Connect Store. Now this might take a minute, but it's basically synchronizing your store with Printful at this point. Okay, and that's it. At this point, you can begin adding products to your e-commerce store through Printful's interface. So I'm just going to click on Add Product here, and I'm just going to add a t-shirt. So let's see, I'm just going to pick an arbitrary t-shirt here, a white t-shirt, and I'm going to select Printing. Here you can choose all the different colors of the t-shirt that you want to offer, and again, it's going to depend on the style of the t-shirt. In this case, I'm choosing to use a Gildan 5000 t-shirt, and just click on the different shirt colors that you want here. So I'm just going to click all sizes and all colors, since this is just an example. And then I'm going to choose a file to upload as my design. Just for the purpose of this example, I'm just going to use a sample file that Printful automatically provides. This is your time to shine. You'll use a tool to create your own graphics that you put on your own t-shirts or mugs or whatever you want. So let's see, I'm just going to choose a random item here. Sure, it's not going to look too good, but because I'm picking just random items. And then you can just drag and drop to customize where you want the image to show up on your t-shirt. You can also choose to put stuff on the back, the outside label, the inside label, the left sleeve, the right sleeve. It's actually very configurable. But for the purpose of this example, I'm just going to put the image right front and center. Okay, so that's my design that I'm uploading for my t-shirt. But let me just show you a really cool feature that you can do with Printful. All right, you can actually allow customers to personalize their shirt with their name or whatever saying that they want. I'm just going to show you really quickly how to do that. Go to Add Text, and I'm just going to put your name here, and then I'm just going to resize it so it fits on the t-shirt and drag it to where I want. And then I'm going to click this box here, which allows your customers to enter in what they want in that box. All right, so I'm just going to make the text color white so it shows up. And so what I'm doing here is, you'll see in just a sec when I show you the actual product, you are allowing your customer to insert their name right here above your design in the t-shirt. And that's allowed by checking this box here. Okay, now I'm going to click Proceed to Mockups. And these are the images that are going to be displayed on the actual website as mockups. So I'm just going to make the black one the main image for the product, and there's some other options here where you can add additional mockup styles or choose the type of image. So just leave the defaults here and then click on Proceed Details. Now here is where you want to enter in the name of your product and enter in a description. So I'm just going to call this personalized, I don't even know what that picture is, but I chose Ivy t-shirt. And Printful already fills out a bunch of the things related to the product, but of course you're going to want to add your description describing what this t-shirt is and the inspiration behind the design. You can opt to attach a size guide to the description. You can opt to put it in a certain product category, but I'm just going to leave everything as a default here just to show you what this is. And again, if you're designing your own shirts, you should fill this out much more thoroughly. So I'm going to click on Proceed to Pricing, and here's where it tells you how much the product is going to cost you. And you can enter here exactly how much profit that you actually want to make per t-shirt. So let's say you want to make $9 a t-shirt. Printful will automatically set the price to the price that will allow you to get $9 of profit per t-shirt. Now, as you can see here, $27.50 is a little bit too high, so just for the sake of an example, I'm just going to put $5 here, and then the t-shirt's going to cost $23.50. All right. After that, you just click Submit to Store, and then Printful will automatically add that product to your e-commerce store. Now, it'll take a couple of minutes or so, but then I'm going to show you what the product looks like in the actual shop. Okay, at this point, the product should have been added to your shop. So I'm going to now go back to my WooCommerce store. I'm going to click under Products to see if it's there. And there it is right there, my personalized Ivy t-shirt. So I'm just going to take a look, and I'm going to show you the cool features of personalization here. So this is the t-shirt that we just designed. You get to choose a color. You get to choose a size. And then you want to click on this Personalized Design button. And this will pop up, and you can actually enter your name here. So I'm just going to enter in my name here. And then the text color, you can choose whatever you want, but I'm just going to go with white since it's a black t-shirt. And then I'm going to click Add to Cart. So if I look at my shopping cart at this point, you'll notice that my name is actually on the t-shirt in the shopping cart. And then I don't know why I put 8 in there. I must have accidentally typed in 8. But this allows customers to create their own personalized t-shirts with your own design. So this is just a quick and dirty example on how to add a Printful product to your online store. It's quick and easy. As you can see, everything's graphical. There's a really great mock-up generator on Printful. So I encourage you to just play around with it a little bit and create your first designs.